Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, trendy, fashionable collections only for you. So let me display very beautiful one fully designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom, fine layer by layer material with fine weaving border design and very elegant color combinations with beautiful design work. This one, border portions fully zeri weaving design, heavy worked border, and base part is premium quality, pure handloom, fine layer by layer with beautiful embroidery mirror design. This one is all over base, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, and all over embroidery mirror design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions very nice looks. This portion is upper base part, fully fine hand embroidery design work, and this one, pallu end highlighted sequin stripes with embroidery mirror design, and this one is beautiful design work, and this portion is upper base part, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, bright one, nice color combinations. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, nice color combinations, purple shade, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful weaving buta work and border design. Also very smart and trendy fashionable looks. This one is full base part, soft sober looks, and this one is, border portions fully black and silver zari contrast weaving design work border. Base part is premium quality, soft silk linen material, and this one, full base part, beautiful weaving buta work, very trendy and fashionable looks, and this one is all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern, pallu end with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one, full base part, very bright and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, of pure premium quality organza silk all over reshmi zari weaving design work, heavy work, waist for your party wear festive looks, beautiful one. This one, pure organza base, organza silk with beautiful reshmi zari weaving design work, heavy worked. This one is pallu portions fully zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, and very soft one, smart and bright look. And this one, full base part, very beautiful one, organza base with zari weaving design work, highlighted work, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, a golden shade, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding party looks. And this one also, very soft one, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk material with silver zari border and all over buta design, very trendy and fashionable, smart looks, soft, lightweight, nice color combination. This one, full base part, and this portion is silver zari border all over, fine weaving buta design and very soft, comfortable. And this one, pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, all over buta work, very trendy and fashionable looks, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, and this portion is border portions. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. It's a very beautiful one, trendy looks, nice color combination, silver zari border all over buta work, very trendy and fashionable looks, pure handloom soft silk material with beautiful weaving buta design, very trendy and fashionable also. This one, pallu portions highlighted silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu and handloom soft silk, very trendy looks. And this one, full base part, all over buta design, and this one is silver zari border, very nice color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also, very trendy one, nice color combinations, also pure handloom soft silk material all over, contrast color stripes design, very smart and fashionable trendy looks. This one, full base part, all over fine stripes design, fully dupian stripes, pure handloom soft silk material. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, pallu fully feather like weaving design. And this one is full base part, all over stripes, dupian stripes, fully fine weaving design, very fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I please suggest this silk material, heavy pocket butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and fresh looks. And this one also, same material, same pattern, nice color combinations, bright fresh magenta pink shade, all over contrast color stripes design, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful stripes design all over base, dupian stripes, dupian silk stripes, and handloom soft silk material. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted fine weaving design, stripes work, pallu fully feather like weaving design. And this one, full base part, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is all over base, beautiful nice stripes design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, same material, nice color combinations, fresh yellow shade with beautiful weaving stripes design, very trendy and fashionable looks. Pure handloom soft silk material, all over stripes. This one is full base part, beautiful dupian stripes design, these are dupian stripes. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted feather like weaving stripes design, pallu bright yellow shade. And this one is full base part, very elegant one, soft sober looks. And this all over stripes design, this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and fresh looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, black base with beautiful stripes design, and very nice color combinations, bright one, same material, premium quality, pure handloom soft silk material, all over contrast color stripes design, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one, full base part, very beautiful one, contrast color fine stripes pattern. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes design, feather like weaving stripes design work, pallu, and all over contrast dupian silk stripes, very trendy and fashionable looks, pure handloom soft silk material, all over fine stripes. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, very beautiful and bright one, fully designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen material with beautiful design work, based for your festive wear. This one, beautiful design, silver sign, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen material, beautiful design work. This one is border portions, highlighted silver zari and contrast color stripes pattern border, and beautiful design work, beads and stone design, and mirror work, also very trendy and fashionable, bright looks, based for your festive wear. This one is, pallu portions, beautiful design embroidery work, pallu and silver sign, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen base. This one is border portions, highlighted stripes with beautiful beads embroidery design work with mirror also. And this one is all over this part. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, this portion is border. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable bright looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful feather like weaving stripes design, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is full base part, silver zari border, all over fine weaving stripes design, very trendy and fashionable smart looks, bright color combinations. This one is pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very elegant looks, all over stripes zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy printed with butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable bright looks. Very beautiful one, tussar silk cotton material, mixed material, silk golden zari border, all over printed one, very nice looks. This one is full base part, bright color combinations, bright black shade, tussar silk cotton material, golden zari border, contrast color dye, and full border portions, beautiful smart printed one. This one is all over printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully printed pallu, contrast color with beautiful printed pallu, and full base part is black base and border portions printed one, very trendy and fashionable smart looks. This one is border, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, tussar silk cotton material, golden zari border, all over printed one, very nice and elegant looks. This one is full base part. Let me open. This one is full base with contrast color highlighted stripes pattern. This portion is half portion to pallu end, multicolor contrast multicolor stripes pattern all over base. Half portion is multicolor stripes pattern and half portion is beautiful black and white printed. This one is half portion, so very trendy and fashionable smart looks, and this one is pallu end, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.raisefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have developed very elegant color combination saree, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, contrast color border, orange shade border, and base part is grey and black combinations, very nice and fresh looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. And this one pallu portion, very smart and trendy looks, very beautiful, elegant also, beautiful saree and blouse jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.